Hi, my name's Alex Gorman, and I'm presenting my project evaluation on my Folio project that was based on the United Nations Sustainability uh, Development Goals, or the FDGs. Um, the Folio is based on application designing and processing skills in order to identify and create unique solutions to one of the SDGs global problems. The folio consists of a design brief outlining the project scope, a statement of intent outlining the analysis of the problem, and the understanding of the project's objectives. My evidence of research, my evidence of 3D CAD work, designing improvements such as more aesthetic cases than the prototype cases that are made, and also my evidence of its working order. So I did videos of the testing. During construction of the prototype, I was hindered with some health issues and very restricted to movements and my ability to attend the workshop. So instead, I decided to use household materials such as paddle pop sticks and glue gun and bits of straw in order to build my prototype. By doing this, going back over the resources and the curriculum, I managed to produce a working prototype and also met the ATC DEK 029 and 030 curriculum objectives, which simply aligns with using sustainable and recycled materials and developing a product creatively and innovatively. Overall, this project was, if it was to be taught in lessons, I believe that it would also cover the ACT DIK 023 and 024, which again briefly aligns with the covering of hardware components. So that would be the microprocessor, wiring, and all that sort of thing, and the sensor itself, and also the binary code used in systems itself, so coding it for the different flashing of lights of the different sensor range that it would detect. As outlined in the folio itself, the SDG I chose was water sustainability, focusing on sustainable water management, using the water moisture sensor with just the simple microprocessor, again the Arduino, at the cost of around $50 to control when gardens or plants need to be watered. This saves on water waste. Research suggests that an average household can save up to 15,000 gallons of water a year, so that's around just shy of 57,000 litres. So for a few days' work and around $50, not including the improvement components, a prototype similar to this could be made to save water. I've seen this on a large scale on my sister's mango farm. Obviously very, very much more highly technical and on a huger scale, but the water, the savings they have actually pass on to their different properties, which is quite amazing. So in this folio produced outlines my intention to build such a prototype to address a much needed problem in the scope of the United Nations SDGs. It shows the research involved and the effectively addresses the problem and the solution that is cost effective for small businesses and households. I think during the process of doing this folio, I've really seen the significance in what we as teachers have on students' futures, like sharing the journey together to build, a better future, one problem at a time. I think that's the biggest takeaway I had from this project. Thank you for watching this presentation, and feel free to comment and ask any questions below.